In this session, we're going to discuss compliance. Compliance is a process where an organization assesses the current state of compliance to specific regulation, the risk of non-compliance, in other words, the penalties and damages that could result as a result of not being compliant, and the corrective action that needs to be put in place, the funding that's required for that corrective action, and the process that is required to support the implementation of those actions. In most instances, regulators impose deadlines for achieving compliance, and new compliance regulation must be implemented before those deadlines to avoid penalties. Audits are designed to provide the assurance that operational risk management processes have been thoroughly tested and reviewed. Regulation typically has a significant impact on information security systems and its governance, particularly with respect to the management of those systems, monitoring, protection, and the handling of disclosures. As organizations migrate to the cloud, one of the greatest challenges is proving compliance to the multitude of regulators that may exist across multiple jurisdictions, and this requires the implementation of the right tools and processes. Compliance activities should include participation from all business units across the organization, as well as contributions from key supply chain partners. When assessing a cloud services provider, it may be necessary, or indeed it is recommended, to ensure that they are compliant with global standards, for example, ISO 27001. One of the main benefits of a cloud solution is the ability for a cloud services provider to enable a cloud services consumer to have day one compliance by essentially adopting a solution built by the cloud services provider that's already compliant with industry regulations. Legal and regulatory requirements may compel a cloud services consumer to get into a contract with a local cloud services provider.